For a large number of islands around the world, securing the supply of electricity and fresh water comes at a high price. Today, they are largely dependent on expensive fossil fuels that pollute their pristine nature. But wave energy can change all that. Ocean waves hold the power and the promise to produce electricity and clean, fresh water. Thanks to a new and patented breakthrough technology made by Danish engineers at Wavepiston, it is now possible to extract the energy from the ocean waves and transform it into electricity and clean, fresh water.
Our technology combines both the production of electricity and the desalination of seawater into clean drinking water in one and the same technology from the energy in the waves.
What is new is, if you have a number of plates, some of them being pushed, some of them being pulled by the waves, if you connect them, they will start to cancel out each other's forces by pushing and pulling. And this is the basic principle of the Wavepiston system, and on which we have a patent, which we call force cancellation. When the waves pass, the plates are moved, they drive pumps that suck in seawater and push it to shore through a pipe. And on shore or on a spar, you can have a turbine or a desalination system, which creates energy or drinkable water.
What I like most about Wavepiston technology is its clever engineering. The system has made effective use of physics and hydrodynamics of the ocean environment. As a result, the system is extremely light and easy to install. Basically, you can put all your mooring material in a container and move it anywhere in the world that you like. And you can install the mooring system by using local means.
These projects are our stepping stone to become a partner in large-scale offshore renewable energy projects and to co-locate with offshore wind. Our vision is to become an integral part of the global renewable energy infrastructure.
First step is to focus on islands, island resorts and isolated coastal communities. They are highly dependent on diesel generators for power supply, and most of these locations also lack fresh water. We can deliver a competitive solution, cut the average price almost in half and remove the large dependencies to fossil fuels that are transported over large distances. Replacing the diesel generators and delivering desalination systems based on wave energy is a €28 billion market that is waiting to be exploited. We have already several interested customers ranging from islands in the Atlantic Ocean, in the Caribbean, in the Pacific Ocean and hotel resorts in the Indian Ocean. We can make a large positive impact locally in these societies, ensuring more renewable energy and more fresh water at a lower price, respecting the local unique environment.
Wavepiston is making wave energy affordable for the many and thereby securing a greener and better world.